Ground-dwelling animals are animals that live on land. The land is considered entirely their home. Dorian pikers are small wild rabbits. They bark like dogs and have a distinctive way of warning other pikers. Dorian pikers are daytime normal animals. The color of a Dorian pika is fur is basically tan and brown. The habitat land they live on is desert land with lots of grass. Dorian pikers live in burrows. Dorian pikers can survive cold weather in the desert in the middle of winter. Their diet consists of grass called monocot. Dorian pikers would live in social groups within the section of land. In social groups, the small animals are able to survive together. The home of a Dorian pika is one area which is called hay piles. They be up and about traveling during the daytime. Dorian pikers would also eat plants called forbs. The size of a Dorian pika is 19 centimeters tall and they weigh around 399 grams. Dorian pika's native home is in Mongolia. Greater bilbies are part of the animal group marsupials. In their native home, Australia, a greater bilby go by another name called Australian Easter bunny since they look like bunnies. The color of greater bilbies are gray, tan, with long tails. Greater bilbies are nocturnal nighttime animals. Their diet consists of insects, flower buds, bulbs, seeds, and fruit. The size of a greater bilby is 50 centimeters and they weigh around 2.3 kilograms. They also live in burrows on land. Greater bilbies live either in social groups or solitary alone. Greater bilbies have their own way to cool down with their long bunny ears. They got long noses as well. Greater bilbies have skills to survive out in darker environments without lights and find food underground. Greater bilbies live in one area of land in groups like a neighborhood. Burrowing owl's home is also in burrows. They have great eyesight because of their big eyes and they are nocturnal nighttime animals. Burrowing owls are small for their size. Their height is 9 inches tall and they weigh around 6 ounces. Color of burrowing owl's fur is brown with round white patterns. Burrowing owls live in their burrows during the daytime. Burrowing owls help homes keep them to stay cool during hot weather. Their habitat land they live in is prairie land, grass areas, and deserts. Their diet consists of insects found on the ground. Their legs help them to get food. And inside their burrows, they store food to have for later. Their native home is in North and South America. Male-knit penguins are great swimmers and swim like they're flying in the water rather than in the sky. The speed they swim in is 14 miles per hour. Male-knit penguins live in groups called colonies on the coast of land. They remember where their homes are every time they travel to different places to migrate. They also live in burrows to keep safe from trouble. Male-knit penguins will swim out in the ocean to get food. The social group they be in is called flocks, where they live and survive together. Color of their feathers is brown, gray, black, and white. Their size is 70 centimeters tall and they weigh around 6.4 kilograms.